Good morning, students. Let me start today class. Today we are going to see exercise 2.9 fifth question. See what it is given. The sum of the squares of the first n natural number is 285. Okay, sum of the squares of first n natural number. So square numbers 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to etc. plus n square. You should be added. Answer is 285. Then next, while the sum of their cubes is 2025. Okay, next sum of their cubes means 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to etc plus n cube is equal to 2025. Then find the value of n. Okay, using these two condition we want to find the value of n. So for that, see solution first. Given, you should write, given that 1 square plus 2 square. Okay, sum of the squares of here, sum of the squares of first n natural number is, so 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus up to etc plus n squared is equal to 285. Okay, this it is given. Now, okay, this we know that formula. What is that? This formula is n into n plus 1 2n plus 1 by 6 is equal to 285. This keep it as equation 1. Next condition, what it is given means sum of the cubes of so 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to etc plus n cube value is 2025. Okay, so now this formula we know that, yes. So what is the formula of cube number? N into n plus 1 by 2 to the whole square. Okay, this equal to 2025. So we need only n into n plus 1 by 2 value alone. So this equal to square, that's a go means square root of 2025. So n into n plus 1 by 2, this taking square root. Okay, square root of 2025 means 45. Okay, this is 45. This considered as a equation 2. Okay, so we have received equation 1 and 2. Now equation 2 you should substitute in equation 1. Okay, so first equation 1 to substitute. Now see, therefore you see equation 2 substitute in equation 1. So what is that equation 1? N into n plus 1 2n plus 1 whole divided by 6 is equal to 285. Yes. So now you check this value we want to apply, n into n plus 1 by 2. So we want to split this n into n plus 1 by 2 into remaining 2n plus 1 by 3 is equal to 285. You want to split. So this formula you want to split like this, because 2 3s are 6. 6 you want to split 2 into 3. N into n plus 1 by 2 into 2n plus 1 by 3. However, you should multiply before formula you will receive. Now, this value we know that what is this value is? This value is 45. Okay. So 45 of 2n plus 1 by 3. This is equal to 285. Okay. Now easily we will receive the value of n. Okay, therefore 2n plus 1 by 3 you keep it as it is. Multiplication 45, that's a go, division by 45. So 285 divided by 45. So now see here next, so only 45 or else first you cancel here, or else you see here 3 is there, 3 table 45 is possible. You cancel means 1 3s are 3, 5 3s are 15. So 15. Next step, see 2n plus 1 alone will be there this side. This 15 will go denominator. Okay, this 15. Now 2n plus 1, 15 table you should cancel means this 19 you will get. So 19. Now 2n is equal to 19 minus 1. Plus 1, that's a go, minus 1. This cancel means 19. So plus 1, that's a minus 1. So 2n is equal to 18. Now n only we need, n is equal to 18. This 2 will go down, 18 by 2. Therefore n you will receive as the answer is 9. Therefore here it is given square of numbers and cube of numbers. Using the two formulas we receive the answer n is equal to 9. Okay, that's all. See next fourth question. Okay, so next fourth one, how many terms of the, before that fifth one I have completed, next is fourth one. You see how many terms of the series 1q plus 2q plus 3q up to etc should be taken to get the sum 14,400. Okay, how many terms should be added, cube number how many terms should be added, answer is 14,400. Want to get, you want to find. Okay, so see solution. Given that 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to etc plus n cube is equal to 14,400. Okay, this. Now what is the formula of is this? We know that. Yes, we know that n into n plus 1 by 2 to the whole square. Yes, cube formula. This is equal to 14,400. Now we need n value. For that, this n into n plus 1 by 2 alone keep this side. This square, that say go means square root of 14,400. So remaining n into n plus 1 by 2, square root of 14,400 you are taking square root, we will receive the answer 120. Now next division by 2, this side go multiplication 2. So n of n plus 1 is equal to 120 into 2. Now this n is common, you should multiply inside. So n square plus n is equal to, you should multiply this 240 you will receive. Okay, now this n square plus n plus 240, this side come minus 240 is equal to 0. Okay, what is this actually? This is called quadratic equation solved by factorization method. Okay, quadratic equation solved by factorization method means n square coefficient 1 is the meaning. So 1 into minus 240, 240. Okay, rough work. 240 and means you want to get plus 1. Multiply means minus 240 and means plus 1 want to get. Then means you will receive 16 15s are. You should multiply and see 16 15s are. Yeah, plus 1 want to get, that means used to put minus. Okay, minus 15. 16 into minus 15 multiply means minus 240. 16 15 go means 1. Therefore you see this we can write it as 16 by n comma minus 15 by n is equal to 0. So 1 square 1 n squared, so that both the number also you should divide by n means remaining now n plus 16 denominator numerator n minus shortcut method, so that you should write like this. Now this quadratic equation factor is n plus 16 n minus 15 is equal to 0. So both also you should equate with 0. N plus 16 is equal to 0. N is equal to minus 16. So next n minus 15 is equal to 0. My n is equal to plus 15. Okay. So here negative is not possible because it is called sum of the series. Yes. So negative it will not come. Therefore here n can't be negative. Okay, you should not choose n value will be negative. So n is equal to 15. Therefore 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to etc plus 15 cube should be added. Answer is 14,400. So question asked how many terms should be taken to get the sum 14,400. Question asked, therefore 15. So 15 term you should be added, taking cube and added, we will receive the answer 14,400. Okay, that's all. See next sixth question, important this one is, what is that? You see Rekha has 15 square color papers of size 10 centimeter, 11 centimeter, 12 centimeter up to etc 24 centimeter. How much area can be decorated with these color papers? So she is keeping the square color papers. How many square color papers? 15 square color papers. Okay. So see first she is keeping like this. First square. So square color papers. So 15. So each side 15. Square, all sides are equal. So 15 square color papers. Okay, all sides are 15. Next square is 16. Like that it will go on. Next, sorry, first 10. Next 11. Like that 15 square color papers is keeping. So here any of the color. Here color paper. This is paper. This area. Okay, this side is given. This paper side is 10, this paper side is 11, up to etc. Last side paper is 24, okay, centimeter. This is one of the paper. Like this, she is using this color papers, is decorated, okay, decorated with this color papers. So how much area we want to find? So using this color paper, 15 square color paper, how much area can be decorated we want to find. Okay, now see solution. It is easy now. So given sides of, okay, given sides of 15 square, size of 15 square color papers, 15 square color papers are, first one is 10 centimeter, 11 centimeter, 12 centimeter, up to etc. 24 centimeter. So we know that what is the area of the square, area of the square is equal to a squared square units. Yes, so we want to find here total area. So total area of 15 square color papers. So total area of 15 square color papers. Then means we want to take square. Each one you want to take square. So 10 square plus 11 square plus 12 square plus up to etc. plus 24 square. Okay. So now you see it is a square. Sum of squares of n natural numbers. We know the formula. Yes. But here want to start with the 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. But here started with the 10 square, 11 square. Continuously will be there. After 10, continuously will be there. 10, 11, 12 like that. Okay. So how many terms? Before how many terms are missing? 1 square to 9 square is missing. Then means in this series how we can change. So we already did this sum. Okay. Already like that sums we have solved. Yes. So this we can first start with the 1 square. This series you can change and write. So 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 squared up to etc. plus 24 squared. So 1 squared you should start, last number you should write 24 squared minus of, how many terms are missing? 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus up to etc. 3 square plus up to etc. plus 9 squared. Okay, before 10, 9 square terms is missing. So you should add and subtract. In between you will get that value. Okay, now so square we know the formula. So we know that 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus up to etc. plus n square. What is the formula? N into n plus 1 2n plus 1 by 6. Wherever you are applying the formula, first you want to write the formula. Okay, now see here, first one is n value is 24, second one n value is 9. Okay, now you should substitute. So that formula you want to substitute. Therefore what is the first? 24 of 24 plus 1 into 2 times of 24 plus 1 whole divided by 6. Okay, next minus of 9 plus 1 of 2 times of 9 plus 1 whole divided by 6. Okay, so continuously you should write. Now 24 plus 24 into, in between multiplication is the meaning. So 24 into 25, 24 plus 1 25. First 2 into 24. Okay, actually like that one, right? 2 into 24 plus 1. So now it's correct. See, now 2 you should multiply with the 24. After that you want to add with 1. So 2 24s are 48. 48 plus 1 49 whole divided by 6 minus of 9 into 10 into 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 1 19. 19 divided by 6. Okay, and write like this. Now next step you should cancel this. Okay, 6 table, which one is possible, you check it. Numerator, if it is possible, you can cancel. So 6 table, 1 6 are 6, 4 6 are 24. Okay, here 6 table is not possible, so can cancel. 3 table means 3 3s are 9, 2 3s are 6. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Okay, so remaining here 4 into 25 100. 100 into 49 minus, yeah, 3 5s are 15. 15 into 6. Okay, remaining will be there. Now this you should multiply and you should subtract, we will receive the answer. So this 4900 minus, okay, 285. Okay, so see next step. So see here, actually sorry, here 19 want to come. 15 into 19 is 285. This is before 6 whole divided by 6. Okay, carefully want to do. So see here 3 3s are 9. Okay, 3 2s are 6. Next 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. So 3 into 5 into 19. I thought I wrote before 6, so it's wrong. Only 19. So 3 5s are 15 into 19, 285. Now this two values is separate. We will get 4615. Okay, centimeters squared. Okay, because here area here already it is given centimeter. So area of the square we know what is the square units. So a square units. So square units means centimeter into centimeter square. Therefore here how much area can be decorated of these color papers. So here this is the answer, final answer. What does that means? 4615 centimeter squared area will be decorated. Okay, that's all. Next we see 7th question. It's very important. Okay, before 6 and 7 very important. This one is, it is easy also. Find the sum of the series 2 cube minus 1 cube plus 4 cube minus 3 cube plus 6 cube minus 5 cube plus up to etc. to first point n terms we should be added. What is the answer? Sum of the series, what is the answer? Next, this series up to 8 terms and means what is the answer we want to find. Okay, so see here before questions and then first row letter, this questions are only one numbers it is given. Okay, 1 square 2 square, in between there is no subtraction. Here two terms is combined and given in between plus. Okay, then means how want to solve, you see. Now see this solution. First point. Okay, the sum of the series 2 cube minus 1 cube plus 4 cube minus 3 cube plus 6 cube minus 5 cube plus up to n terms. So see, up to n terms. So should be added. What is the answer we want to find? Okay, so you should not subtract. 2 cube value 8, 1 cube value 1, so 8 minus 1 7, like that. You should not subtract and you should add, means you will not get answer. Okay, it is difficult. For that what want to do means, so 2 terms it is given, so you should split and write first. In this series first you should split and write. Now split means first even numbers 2 cube plus 4 cube plus 6 cube plus up to etc. to n terms you should split. Then all the one minus is common, minus you take outside, then bracket of remaining 1 cube plus 3 cube plus 5 cube plus up to etc. to n terms. So before single term, okay, single to two terms is compiled, we split and write 2 terms. Now first term even numbers, even number 2 is common, so 2 cube is common. 2 cube you take outside, 2 cube rent outside, remaining 1 is the meaning. So 1 we can change into 1 cube, 1 power anything 1 only, so that 2 cube went outside, remaining 1. Okay, 1 we can change into 1 cube. 1 cube any 1 only. Anyway, you want to write here 1 cube plus here 4 cube, 2 cube went outside means remaining 2 cube will be there. Okay. So already here cube went again why here cube is writing you will think. Okay. You simplify and see 2 cube into 2 cube you should multiply and see 4 power cube you will get. Okay. So 4 power cube. Then means 4 cube. How many 2 cubes are there? 2 cubes are there. Okay. Then means 1 2 cube went outside, remaining 1 2 cube. Next is 6 cube means 2 cube inside, remaining 3. 2 3s are 6. So 6 cube plus up to etc. to n terms. So carefully you want to do. So 2 cube is went outside, remaining 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to etc. to n terms. Minus of this we can write 1 cube plus 3 cube plus 5 cube. It is odd natural number or cube of odd natural number. What is that? Cube of odd natural number is this. Now this 2 cube value 8. 2 cube value 8. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Here we know the formula, cube formula. What is that? N into n plus 1 by 2 to the whole squared. Okay, use formula. In this one want to use formula 2 cube value 8. In this one formula. Okay, we know that. This also formula is there, but in your book it is not given. But you should memorize the formula, this formula. Using directly formula easily we will receive, so that cube of n odd natural number means cube of n odd natural number. What is the formula means? This minus minus, right? What is the formula means? N squared of 2n squared minus 1. N squared of 2n squared minus 1. Okay. So this formula already you have memorized. In this formula alone, now you want to memorize cube of odd n natural numbers. Okay, n squared of 2n squared minus 1. After that it is easy. Okay, now as usual, what is that you see? Here 8 and 2 should not cancel. Okay, it is wrong because power is 2 is there. So first you take square this value. N squared, next n plus 1 to the whole square divided by 4 you will get. Okay, because squared is common for numerator and denominator. So 2 2s are 4 minus. Here minus n squared is common for both also. You should multiply means n squared into 2n squared 2n power 4 minus 2n power 4. Next minus into minus plus n squared into 1 n squared. Okay, then next step this 4 and 8 you can cancel means 2. So therefore next you see we can write it as 2n squared of n plus 1 to the whole square minus 2n power 4 plus n squared. Okay, now this 2n squared write as it is. What is the formula of a plus b to the whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so write formula minus 2n power 4 plus n squared. So want to use formula here. Okay, now next step 2n squared. So next you should multiply this. 2n squared is common, so or else 2n squared of n squared plus 1 squared 1 plus 2n into 1 2n. Okay, 2n into 1 2n. Close the bracket, minus 2n power 4 plus n squared, right? Okay, then next step you see this 2n squared is common for 3 terms also. So multiply inside means 2n power 4, n squared into n squared n power 4 plus 2n squared into 1 2n squared plus 2n squared into 2n 2 2s are 4 n squared into n cube minus 2n power 4 plus n squared. So this terms as it is you should write. Okay, now what will be cancelled? Cancel 2n power 4 minus 2n power 4 plus 2n power 4 minus 2n power 4 will get cancelled. First cube term, right? So 4n cube plus 2n square plus 1n squared that means 3n squared. That's up. Therefore given series up to n terms you should add means this is the answer. Okay, given series up to n terms you should add means answer is 4n cube plus 3n squared. Okay, next question asked second point up to 8 terms. When second point up to when n is equal to 8. Okay, n terms you should add means what is that? Here Sn, sum of the series is what is that? Sn is equal to 4n cube plus 3n squared. So instead of n 8, so 4 times of n value 8, so 8 cube plus 3 times of n value is 8, so 8 squared. Okay, now 4 times of 8 cube, 8 8 is 64, 64 into 8 we will receive 512. Okay, plus 3 of 8 squared means 64. Now these two you should multiply and add, we will receive the answer. Okay, so see next step. 4 into 512 you should multiply means 2000. Okay, we will get 2048 plus 3 into 64 192. 192. So these two you should add means we will receive 2240. 2240. So given series up to 8 terms you should add means answer is 2240. Okay, because already we find sum of n terms. Sum of n terms are means 4n cube plus 3n square. So we find then in this instead of n you substitute 8 means we will receive the answer. Okay, that's all. So exercise 2.9 successfully have completed. Okay, over. That's all. Thank you.